So you're looking at a Salesforce report, and you need to do a quick calculation for each row. Maybe you want to subtract a discount, calculate a commission, or combine a couple of fields. And you know the data is all there, but there's no obvious button that says, do math here. I've been there. It's frustrating when you know what you need, but can't find the tool. Here's the good news. Salesforce actually has a built-in feature for exactly this. It's called a row-level formula, and once you know where to look, it takes almost no time at all. Here's the plan. We're going to start in the Reports tab, choose a report to work with, and then I'll walk you through adding the formula step by step. By the end of this, you'll have a custom column that does the math for you on every single row. All right, so the very first thing we need to do is get to the Reports tab. You'll find it in the main navigation at the top of your Salesforce screen. Just give that a click, and it'll take you to the list of all your reports. Now you'll see a list of folders and reports. Find the one you want to add your formula to. If you already have a report open, that's fine too. But for this walkthrough, let's pick a standard template, or any existing report that has the data you want to work with. Just click on it to open it up. Once your report is on screen, look for the Edit button. It's usually up near the top right corner of the report view. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Report Builder, which is where we'll do all the heavy lifting. All right, now we're in the Report Builder. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see all your report fields and groupings. Look for a section that says Columns. Right next to that, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on it. This is the key moment. From that drop-down menu, you're going to see an option that says Add Row-Level Formula. Click on that. This is going to open up the formula editor. So now we have a blank formula field. The first thing you want to do is give your new column a name. Make it descriptive, something like adjusted cost or discount total. This is what will show up as the column header in your report. Now for the actual formula. And don't worry, this is simpler than it looks. You'll see a field where you can type your expression. You can use standard math operators like plus, minus, asterisk for multiplication, and / for division. And you can reference your existing report columns by double-clicking them from the list on the right. Here is where I want to pause for just a second, because this is the part that trips people up. Salesforce uses field names exactly as they appear in the object, not the column labels you see in the report. So if your column says total amount, the formula might expect something like total _ amount _ C. The easiest way to avoid a typo is to find the field in the list on the right side of the formula editor and double-click it. That way the name is inserted perfectly. So let's say you wanted to calculate a 10% commission. Your formula might look something like amount times 0.10. You type that in, and as you go, Salesforce will check the syntax at the bottom. If it turns red, there's probably a typo or a missing parenthesis. If it stays gray and reads syntax OK, you're good to move on. Once your formula is written and the syntax check passes, you're ready to bring it to life. Look for the Apply button. It's usually at the bottom of the formula editor. Click Apply. And there it is. Your report now has a brand new column that calculates a custom value for every single row. No manual work, no export to Excel, just clean, automated data right where you need it. So next time you need a quick custom calculation in a report, you know exactly where to look. Just remember, Reports tab, Edit, Columns dropdown, Add Row-Level Formula. It's one of those features that once you know about it, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it.